What if the future of Bitcoin hinges on the approval of a Bitcoin ETF? Picture this, a world where Bitcoin's adoption is accelerated by the introduction of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, this isn't just a dream. This could be our reality. A Bitcoin ETF could unlock the doors to institutional investment, leading to mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency. But this journey isn't without its hurdles. The potential of Bitcoin ETFs is vast, but the journey to their approval is fraught with challenges. As of now, Bitcoin ETFs in the US track Bitcoin futures, not the asset itself. This approach, while feasible, has its limitations. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell an asset at a future date at a predetermined price. While they provide some benefits, they also pose risks like contango, a scenario where the futures price is higher than the spot price, and tracking error, which is the divergence between the ETF and its underlying asset. A spot Bitcoin ETF, on the other hand, would require directly purchasing Bitcoin, offering more transparent exposure to its price movements. This purer exposure to Bitcoin's performance could be an attractive proposition for investors, big and small alike. It could also pave the way for accelerating the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency by unlocking institutional investment. In essence, a spot Bitcoin ETF could serve as a more direct, unfiltered gateway to the world of Bitcoin, providing a more transparent exposure to Bitcoin's performance. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could lead to billions of dollars pouring into the cryptocurrency space. This would not only increase liquidity, but also provide a more transparent way for institutions to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements. Imagine a future where Bitcoin isn't just a digital asset appreciated by tech-savvy individuals, but a mainstream financial instrument. A spot Bitcoin ETF could serve as a bridge connecting the world of traditional finance to the burgeoning crypto landscape. With more participation, Bitcoin's role as an inflation hedge could be reinforced, offering an alternative to gold in uncertain economic times. However, charting the path towards this future isn't without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles have posed significant roadblocks, with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, historically expressing skepticism towards the approval of a Bitcoin ETF. Concerns over market manipulation, investor protection, and inadequate surveillance mechanisms have been cited as reasons behind the denial of previous applications. Yet the winds of change might be blowing. The crypto industry has been making strides in addressing these regulatory concerns, with robust custodial and surveillance frameworks being established. Not to mention, the growing interest from major asset managers signals a shifting tide in institutional sentiment. While the potential benefits are immense, the regulatory hurdles cannot be overlooked. The journey towards a Bitcoin ETF is a delicate dance between innovation and regulation, a balance between embracing new possibilities and safeguarding traditional financial systems. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could cement Bitcoin's legitimacy among traditional investors. This isn't just about offering a new investment product, but about forging a bridge between the frontiers of cryptocurrency and the established world of traditional finance. An approved Bitcoin ETF would likely accelerate the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. It would be a signal to the world that Bitcoin is not just a speculative asset, but a viable part of the financial ecosystem. In a broader sense, it could trigger a paradigm shift, a rethinking of what constitutes value. Bitcoin, once the domain of tech enthusiasts and risk-takers, could find itself in the portfolios of pension funds, foundations, and other institutional investors. While the timing of a Bitcoin ETF approval remains uncertain, Bitcoin's strong fundamentals suggest it can withstand regulatory setbacks. It's not just about this moment, but the trajectory that Bitcoin is on, a trajectory that could reshape our financial future. Staying informed about developments in the Bitcoin ETF space is crucial for navigating this dynamic landscape. As we journey together through this exciting era of digital currency, it's paramount that you, as investors and enthusiasts, keep your fingers on the pulse of the market. Be it regulatory shifts, institutional adoptions, or structural innovations, each change brings new opportunities and challenges that could impact your portfolio. Understanding the potential impacts of a Bitcoin ETF on your investments is not just about capitalizing on opportunities, but also about mitigating risks. As the landscape evolves, so too should your strategies. Remember, informed decisions are empowered decisions. The crypto world is not a static one, it's a living, breathing ecosystem that's constantly morphing and growing. So keep learning, keep exploring, and most importantly, stay engaged. As we stand on the precipice of a potential watershed moment, the future of cryptocurrency and global finance hangs in the balance. Did you find this video insightful? If you're eager to keep up with the fast-paced world of Bitcoin ETFs and cryptocurrency trading, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Crypto Trading Masterclass. By joining our community, you'll gain access to the latest insights, expert analysis, and in-depth discussions that can help you stay ahead in this dynamic market. So why wait? Subscribe now and be part of our Crypto Trading Masterclass community today. Because in the world of crypto, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.